Good morning. Today's simple science activity for your child is magnetic and non-magnetic. So this is an activity like Sink and Float that you can introduce to your child, and then you could leave it out on a shelf or on a table so that they could continue to explore if they're interested. So what you'll need is to create two little tags, one that says magnetic, one that says non-magnetic. I drew a picture of a little stereotypical magnet if a child is unable to read that says magnetic, and a magnet with a big no sign on it for non-magnetic. So first you'd introduce to the child, when something is magnetic, a magnet will stick to it. I just found a little magnet off my fridge and then collected some random items from the house. You can have your child help collect these items, or you can collect them for them. Again, this is a great time to introduce hypothesis, making a guess. So, do you think that chopsticks will be magnetic or non-magnetic? And then to test it out, oh, my magnet does not stick. This is non-magnetic. And then you would have your tag out on a table and put it under there, non-magnetic. Do you think a measuring spoon will be magnetic or non-magnetic? Oh, the magnet sticks. That means it is magnetic. And then you do the same, have your magnetic sign, and you can sort your items. Have fun.